Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net. So today we're going to talk about sources for free SVG files. So if you don't know, an SVG file is a file that you can upload to your Cricut machine or other cutting machines, and you can cut out a design. So SVGs can be just about anything you can imagine, from a font or a saying to really intricate designs with tons of layers. And perhaps right now you're looking for a cheaper alternative, a way to keep crafting but keep it as low cost as possible. So I have 5 sources today for free SVG files that you can start downloading, upload to that Cricut machine, and start cutting away and making all the things. Now, if you've never heard of an SVG, you don't know how to upload it to your Cricut machine, we have you covered there as well. I have another video on uploading it to your Cricut, and I will link that in the description below. I actually have a couple, depending on if you're on computer, iPad, iPhone, Android, that type of thing. So I walk you through on each device on how to get those SVGs and how to put them on your Cricut machine. Now, where do you get them? That's the next thing you need to know. So the first source is me. So if you don't know, I have a website, thecountrysheetcottage.net, and I have free SVGs all the time, at least a couple a month. Sometimes more than that, sometimes like 3 a month. So if you have not already, subscribe to our Svg newsletter, and so you get all of those SVGs and the information for download and even more right in your email inbox. So I'm going to drop a link below. You can head to that link, sign up for that newsletter, and then you can get them all right in your inbox. Now, if you're looking for our past SVGs, like I have a year or more of them that are just sitting there ready for you to use right now, I'm going to drop another link below. Head there. I'll have them all listed for you. You can just pick and choose the ones you want to download and then craft away. So there's one source, myself. But you need other sources as well. 4 more sources. My top favorite source, besides myself, is Creative Fabrica. And I'm going to drop links to all of these below. But Creative Fabrica, hands down, has the largest free SVG area that I've seen online. So I really love their free SVGs and using them in all the things. So I'm going to link to that below. The second is Design Bundles. So that's kind of my second favorite, is getting those from Design Bundles. And all of these places, the freebies change a lot. So they'll add some, take away some, or whatever. So you might want to just want to put it like bookmark this video, bookmark the links I give you, and go back to those occasionally, because when they release a new freebie, you can just grab that before it comes down and you just organize it on your computer so you know where to find those freebies when you need them. So Design Bundles is the next one. And then the third one is So Fancy. So if you haven't heard of So Fancy, they're amazing, and they have a free area as well. And you can find all of these places. You can usually find like fonts as well as SVGs and things like that. I know I'm talking about free SVG files, but if you're looking for fonts to kind of design your own and you need a cool font, a lot of these places have free fonts as well, so you can just download those while you're there. And the last one is hungryjpeg.com. It actually has just a weekly freebie, so I'm going to drop the link below. Grab the one that's on there right now if you like it, but that's definitely one you want to head back all the time or sign up for their email newsletter or something like that so you get notifications when they put that weekly freebie up, because then you can download them all, keep them all on your computer, and craft all the time with free SVG files. Now, that's 5 free SVG sites. But the last thing I wanted to tell you is that Cricut released thousands of images in Cricut Design Space just for the next couple months so that people can craft for less cost. So if you haven't, head to Cricut Design Space, click that images button, and just start searching for things that you're looking for and see how many of those are free now, even if you don't subscribe to Access. So perhaps you don't subscribe to Access, you had to let your Access subscription lapse, whatever. Still head to Cricut Design Space, click images, search for what you want, and see if there's a freebie out there, and then you can just use it right in Cricut Design Space. The files are designed for Cricut Design Space. You don't have to upload anything, you don't have to learn anything new. You can just craft away with your Cricut with all of those free files that they've now released. So, tons of options for crafting. Even if money's tight right now, just head to one of those sites, get some free SVGs, or head to Cricut and start looking for all those freebies right in Cricut Design Space and start cutting and crafting the stress away. So thank you all so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything we've covered today, ask those in the comment section below. The description will have tons of links for you, so head to all of those links, check out the freebies, download some. I know you're going to love them. If you haven't already, head on over to YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss any of our videos, and scroll past through our past videos. There might be just something that you'll love. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.